Welcome to our daily low impact movement session where we build mobility, strength, and balance all in just 10 minutes. Let's start with a nice gentle twist, hands on your shoulders. Let's wake up the body, prime it for the day. Connect to your breath with each movement. Today's session is designed to get us ready for one balance exercise at the end of the workout, which if practiced every day, I think could be a real game changer to help us avoid falls, prevent injuries, so that we truly can live to 110 and healthy. Maybe start to sink a little bit deeper down, twist a little further, get the lower body involved, head up high, breathe. Let's move with curiosity and wonder today. Okay, now arms out in front and step. Onto the heel and come on down just a little bit. We want to build strength in our legs. Strong legs, sharp mind. I promise you all the elements that we need for a healthy long life will be in this workout. Don't you worry about it. It's there. Just move with a sense of awe. Wow, movement is amazing. Head up. Same movement with the lower body. Let's just reach up now. Get those shoulders nice and warm. Really amazing strength, mobility. And again, this could look like this for you. Any movement is good movement. Just a few more here. And shake that out. Oh, shake, shake, shake. Balls of your feet. Okay. Chest open, arms up high. Bend your knees and come on down and close the upper body. Open up, back bend. You can look to the sky. Round the back, bend your knees generously and come on down. Just find a nice flow that works for you and move. Bring it in nice and tight. Open up real wide. Bring the shoulder blades together. Connect to your breath. You can go a little quicker if you like. Why not? You can always bring an element of speed into it if that's what you're feeling today. And you can also really slow it down. Choose your own adventure. Let's do a few more. Really focused, really present. This is the most important movement right now. Hold it there for a moment. Hold it, look to the sky. Okay. Let's really get our lower body moving. Kick back. Open the chest. And maybe this is where you're at. You're just moving a little bit. What the heck was that? Let's keep it in. Did anybody see what that was? Some little critter went running past me. It's fine. Oh, breathe. Oh, hopefully we'll be able to see it later on the video. Okay. Oh, kick that leg up. Back as far as you can. Chest up. Real integrity. Oh, things happen. Oh, let's embrace every experience that life throws at us. The quote unquote good, quote unquote bad. Whew, life is happening for us, not to us. It's here to teach us, to learn and grow. Maybe you come up on the ball of your foot and we add an element of balance here. If you've got that in you, beautiful. Whew. Couple more. Okay, yes. Let's just go a little bit to the side. Arms and swing. So just a nice side skip. Swing the arms and then bend. Playful. Skip to the side. Circle the arms and bend. Great for the obliques. We're building core stability. Amazing mobility in our shoulders, spine. And hopefully, with the little skip, our happy skip, we're building some joy and energy as well. That's our measurement. How much joy do we have today? That's successful life. One more to each side. Okay, brilliant. Oh, just shake it out for a moment. Okay, yes, yes, yes. Let's bend again. Cross the arms at the bottom, come up, cross at the top. Bend generously down, bend your knees generously, and bend down. Rise up, hands overhead. With this one, I am gonna move with just a little bit more pace. We've got the body warm now, we're feeling good. Change which hand comes over top. Dynamic movements, simplicity. We do not need intense 3-hour sessions in the gym to live a healthy, long life. We just need to move with intention, with purpose. Couple more. Okay, and yes. Same. Just a couple of these to build some real strength in the core, in the legs. Come into a chair posture. Just hold that for one moment. And then come on up. Arms all the way back. Bring them back, back, back. And down. Arms up. Back as far as you can. And up. Last one. Look forward. Hold it. All right. I heard an incredible statistics, who knows where people bring these from, But something like every 20 seconds, somebody has a fall and dies from it. And it's often at night. As we age, we're often getting up more often in the evening time when it's dark to use the toilet. What if we have impeccable balance when we do that? This move right here, this is all we're gonna practice. One leg, arms out like this, gives you the most support. Up here makes it a little more challenging, but we're gonna close our eyes to practice moving in the dark. So one leg, arms to the side, if you like, or up, if you want to challenge yourself more, but close your eyes. And the goal is to get to 60 seconds. Close your eyes and just do your best. This is going to be very challenging, but we are going to practice. You can feel it, the difference. Just do your best. If you stumble and fall, come right back to it. Maybe you could do 2 seconds, 5 seconds. It doesn't matter. Just keep trying and practicing. You're gonna feel it in the ankle. That's why we want to continue to build ankle mobility. There's a big difference. When our eyes are open, we can see and we can adjust more readily. When we're closed, we don't have that capacity. Let's go to the other leg. One leg will be better than the other. Just do your best, hold it. Close your eyes. Maybe it's 1 second. Make sure you're in a safe spot. Of course. This is something that can be practiced throughout the day. Anytime, any place. What a thing to challenge a friend, a coworker, a loved one. Hey, let's see who can do this for the longest. Have some fun with it. This is gonna make a huge difference as we age. You're building core stability, but just by doing this, engage your core and have fun with it. Be curious. It is not easy. Getting to 60 seconds would be an incredible achievement. Here I go. I think I have pretty good balance, and this is very difficult. It's not something I've practiced very often, but I do believe, after looking up some pretty good data, this is a huge game changer to increasing our balance. And look at how simple it is. Not easy, but simple. Oh, how'd you do? Let me know. Keep practicing it. Another thing you can do to practice balance, I always keep forgetting to bring this up. When you're brushing your teeth, one leg. 1 minute on one leg, 1 minute on the other. Change hands too. That's amazing for the brain. Just find opportunities to practice this. Close your eyes where it's safe. I think it can make a huge, huge difference to help us prevent falls. Whew. Okay, let's just be for a second. Or have the glorious sun. Oh, it hasn't been sunny for a while. How wonderful. Enjoy the sunny days. Enjoy the storms as well. That's where we really learn and grow. Just be for a moment. 2 feet and close your eyes. Being on 1 foot and closing your eyes, when we get to be on 2 and close your eyes, I think we get a greater sense of gratitude of like, oh wow, this is nice. Just breathe for a moment. Oh, thank you so much for showing up. I hope you feel as good as I do. Let me know how the balancing goes, and please practice throughout your day. Try that one. See if you can get to 60 seconds. I'm gonna too. It's gonna be difficult for sure. Thank you so much again. I will see you tomorrow. We will show up again and again and again so that we live to 110 healthy. Goodbye.